Hi guys, how are you? I'm really excited because this is my first Dollar Tree video that I post. I went to the Dollar Tree. Usually I go maybe once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks, and I just pick up some random things. If you guys like this video, please like and share. And then let me know what other kinds of videos from the Dollar Tree you would like to see. I just found some random cool things. A little background, I am a homeschool mom of 4, and I've been doing it for over 2 years now, and I love it. But I went to the Dollar Tree to go pick up one thing, and I ended up buying all this. So I thought I would show them to you guys for anybody that might want some ideas on maybe some cool things, even if you're not a homeschool mom. So I have a couple of things in my hand, so I'll go ahead and show you those. For some reason, this sounds familiar to me. I picked up these markers. It's a 4-pack. There's a brush and a fine line for $1. Hopefully that will focus. And there's pink, purple, blue, and green. And I thought those would be fun for my planner. I picked up some pencils. You can't have enough pencils when you're homeschooling. I picked up some sheet protectors. It's $1 for 16 of them. That's pretty cool. And if you guys want to see what I do with these, let me know. These are all together. So now here's a little background. All the things I use, all the curriculum, I pull myself, and I use general information in regards to homeschooling and the type of curriculum I use. But sometimes it's good. I'm trying to teach my children some independency when it comes to doing their homework or some sort of class that they're taking, if it's online or if it's an online lesson. So I found these, and I think they're going to be cool. Now, background, I have purchased before items from the Dollar Tree, and they can be a little outdated. Now, for some of these, it's kind of the basics of it. So I'm going to look through all of them and see which ones are current. But some of these I think are going to be pretty standard to what it is. So I found these kind of posters. I don't know if you can see that. Oops. It shows you a picture right there of what it is. And these are posters that when we're learning on those items or on that subject, it's easy for them to go back and have a picture of what it might be. My kids learn better visually, hands-on, than just reading out loud. So I purchased the, what is this? Doesn't say. It's for grades 4 through 6. And this is for the plant cells and animal cells. And we are on the verge of learning when it comes to plant cells and animal cells, so I thought this would be pretty handy. The next one is proofreading tools and the writing process, and I have my daughter who is going into 4th grade, and I think it would be cool to have something. Like I said, I'm going to open them up and see that they are current. I'm hoping that they all are. This is order of operations, mean, median, mode, and range. This is for math. So I'm hoping as well. And just so you know, I have a 3rd grader and a 2nd grader and a 3rd grader. This is punctuations and parts of speech, and this is from 1st to 3rd grade. There's the picture. And then the last one I got was root words and synonyms. And there's a picture for that one. So that's part of what I grabbed, hoping that it would be useful for them. And then since they're in that section of learning, I picked up these fraction circles. They're kind of foam, but they have lines to where you can see the fraction of what it is if you pulled one out. I hope you guys can see the lines through the plastic. And then I bought a square ones because you can break these apart. I think you can break them apart and then be able to count. So I thought that would be useful as well. They do have a year-round vocabulary list that we're going through for the year. But this looked interesting. This is sight words, social studies vocabulary. And then it gives you, how many words is it? Oh, 30 words. And I thought that maybe we could go through one. Can you guys see it? I thought maybe we could go through one like every week just so they could pick up a new pretty hard word. And social studies is one of those subjects that my kids, we read, but that's pretty much all we do. We don't do anything drastic or anything like that. Now the rest of the stuff I have in here are random things. I picked up this window marker. I think I've seen a couple of people use it. I'm thinking about maybe using, they have a big long mirror in their room that I could probably use this in, I'm hoping. I picked up some vinyl gloves. You can never have enough of those. I picked up a hand soap, and this is Soft Rose. It was the only one they had. I picked up another one. For the poster boards, and then I do have a schedule poster board that I picked up the foam mounting tape, pre-cut, created 3D layered. It says double-sided, acid-free, lightning-free, photo-safe, and it is permanent. And if you can see, it's got the squares to where you can break it apart depending on how much you need. I found this little stamp that looks pretty cute. I need something quick that I can start just stamping if I need to on my planner. And it's a self-ink stamp. And I think it says, it says do it yourself. Do you see that? I hope you guys can see that. It's pretty cute. And I picked up a lemon juicer. I've heard a lot of people talk about lemon juicers, and since we finally moved to our house, I've been kind of picking up things here and there that we needed before that we just didn't have the space for it. And I picked up a lemon juicer. Hopefully it will stand the hard work that I might put it through. And for all you ladies, TMI ahead of time. This has happened to me before. Usually I buy my lady pads or tampons for our monthly, usually in a big pack. But sometimes where I live, I have to drive about a half an hour to get to the closest Walmart or Costco. So the Dollar Tree carries tampons. And I was very skeptical when I first bought them the first time. But they actually worked great. So just an idea, if you're ever in a rush or in a last minute and you have a Dollar Tree close by, they might just save you. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.